Okay, so I was like in the bed in this video. I forgot to make an intro. So what's up, guys? And I'm just gonna show you. You see the title of the video, so you know what it's gonna do. So let's just keep watching the video. Paper, markers, pencil, Sharpie, nail polish, and white crayon. Okay, so on top of your paper, put 10 things I love about you. Or if you ain't got 10 things, put 5 things. You can put whatever you want. Okay, so on this part, you really want to coat what you wrote down in white crayon for the next part. So just do that. Okay, so I'm taking this metallic red nail polish and then I'm just putting it all inside the heart and stuff. And I forgot to test it out on camera, but I did test it out and it did work. If you don't believe me, you can test it out before actually doing it. So yeah.